Hello everyone, he was so hungry. The moment I dropped an empty milk bag, he ran toward it thinking it was food. Near the edge of the city, beside a pile of trash, a starving dog was sitting quietly. I took out a bowl and began filling it with small pieces of bread. All I could think was, this little one should not go hungry today. As soon as I dropped the milk wrapper on the ground, he lunged toward it, thinking it was something to eat. He was that hungry, even an empty packet gave him hope. That moment hit me hard. I opened the milk packet and poured it into the bowl. Then I sat down myself, holding the bowl on my hand and offering it to him. Directly, I feel a deep love for these animals. I prefer feeding them from my hands, not from a distance. He hesitated at first, unsure and scared, but then slowly started drinking. I gently tried to pet him, but he was still afraid, so I gave him space. I placed the bowl on the ground and he continued drinking peacefully. I just sat there watching him while his silent eyes spoke of hunger and survival. So many stairs wait every day for just one act of kindness. These are the moments that bring me back again and again. Even after finishing the milk, he did not walk away. He just sat there close to the bowl. Maybe he was waiting, or maybe he was just finally feeling safe. I slowly moved a little closer, not to startle him, just to let him know I was still there. I extended my hand again. This time he did not flinch. It felt like a silent connection had been made. No words, just trust. I gently touched his head. For the first time, he did not pull back. That moment meant everything. His fur was rough, full of dust and signs of survival. I could see the life he had lived. Not easy, not fair, but he was still trying, still hoping, and that was enough for me to keep going. I wish I could do more, not just for him, but for all the forgotten souls on our streets. Every one of them deserves food, love, and a second chance, and maybe, just maybe, if more of us care, things can change. Everyone can watch my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.